Hey gang, Dr. Matt Hennessy here, My Health Minute. We're going to talk about inflammation today. We're actually going to talk about a product called Salazane from an antibiotic laboratory. So here's a quick little hit about what Salazane is. Salazane is actually made of white willow bark. What is white willow bark? Well, it's basically nature's Advil is what it is. Actually, the American Pain Society, the American Academy of Physicians have actually claimed and said that white willow bark is actually just as effective as ibuprofen, acetaminophen, NSAIDs, all those pain-killing things that we take. Oh, by the way, they have a whole host of side effects. White willow bark, not much in the way of side effects. They've done some studies. What have they done the studies-wise? Well, they compared it to a thing called Vioxx. You might have heard of Vioxx before, an anti-inflammatory medication. They've done it against Vioxx and they said, hey, Salazane or the white willow bark got the same or better results from a pain standpoint than Vioxx did. And oh, by the way, do you know Vioxx doesn't exist anymore? Why? Because they pulled it off the market in 2004 because, oh, by the way, it was killing people. Heart attacks, strokes, all these horrible things. No side effects. Works as well as the other stuff. These are things that are intriguing to me. So, how do we use this? If you have an acute injury, if you got a screaming headache, you're going to want to take 4 of these a day. Once every 4 hours, up to 4 a day is what you're going to want to do. If you're just looking to kind of have a nice even dose to it, you can take 1 a day of doing that. For our people that work in the factories, our people that have these overuse injuries, it always aches in their neck at the end of a long day. This is the time to take this rather than those acetaminophen, those ibuprofens, all that junk that, oh, by the way, attacks your liver, attacks your kidneys, start to destroy your body over time. So, if you're looking for something that the American Academy of Physicians, that the American Pain Society says is just as effective as those things that you and I will go buy at Walgreens or CVS or wherever, but without the yucky side effects, check out some white willow bark. Salazane, good stuff. There's a video attached to this here as well of the company talking about it and not being quite as entertaining as I am talking about it. Have an awesome day. I'll have more of these for you in just a moment.